my god, Jamie, look.
What?
It's not funny.
It must rip another hole in. Jackson!
It's worked out where the weak spots are. Did you hear that? It's not polystyrene stuck up his nose. Oh, I think he just snotted it out. Is this dangerous?
Quite possibly.
Carry on.
Jackson, what's this? Look. What's this? Have some water. Look. Come on.